Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Lincoln Corsair Hybrid, a luxury compact SUV that blends efficiency with premium comfort. If you're looking for a stylish, tech-packed, and fuel-efficient ride, stick around as we break down everything from its sleek exterior to its refined interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Lincoln Corsair Hybrid carries forward Lincoln's signature elegance with some modern refinements. The front grille now features a bold, new design with an illuminated Lincoln emblem, giving it a sophisticated presence on the road. The slim LED headlights have been updated for a sharper, more futuristic look, while the sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to back, enhancing aerodynamics and overall appeal. The rear has a refreshed taillight design with a full-width LED strip, adding a premium touch. Lincoln offers a range of striking colors, including a new deep blue metallic shade that stands out beautifully in the sunlight. Sitting on stylish 19 or 20-inch wheels, the Corsair Hybrid exudes confidence and luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that redefines comfort and sophistication. The interior features premium materials, including genuine leather upholstery, real wood trims, and soft touch surfaces throughout. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and the large 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen with Sync 4 technology keep everything at your fingertips. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Revel audio system for an immersive sound experience. The seats are designed for ultimate relaxation, with available 24-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The spacious second row ensures rear passengers travel in comfort, and with a hands-free power liftgate, accessing the cargo area is effortless. Under the hood, the 2025 Corsair Hybrid pairs a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 266 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid powertrain allows for an estimated 28 miles of all-electric range, making it perfect for city commutes. The smooth CVT transmission and Lincoln's adaptive suspension ensure a refined and quiet ride, while the all-wheel drive system enhances stability in various driving conditions. As for pricing, the 2025 Lincoln Corsair Hybrid starts at around $42,000, with higher trims reaching up to $55,000 when fully loaded with premium features. With its blend of luxury, efficiency, and technology, the Corsair Hybrid is a strong contender in the luxury SUV market. That wraps up our review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.